Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buck Ming, and today we're going to show you the buys for the end of the week here to start off the new week upcoming here. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So the portfolio ending last week there closed out at $17,460.73 on the day, up $58.12, up 0.33% for the 1 week. We are up $228.37, up 1.33% for the 1 month, up $1,275.76, up 7.88% for the 3 months. We are up $1,511.43, up 9.48% for the 1 year. We are down $65, down 0.37%. So it is a strong year for the all. Up $2,299.78, up 15.17% since starting this portfolio. As you can see here, we have $105.02 in the cash account. I'm still debating on what positions I want to increase. Do I want to go with the strategy of dollar cost averaging down, or do I just want to increase the dividends to kind of even out our sporadic dividend quarters or every month? It seems like some months are bigger than others, but just kind of want a consistent dividend payment every single month, or a dividend total in that sense. So I will show you the buys. So we did make a purchase in a big financial institute, of course, as we favor those personally when it comes to Canadian banks. So we did purchase 1 share of Royal Bank of Canada. Ticker symbol for this one is RY.TO. If you're trying to search for it in other places. End of the week, it closed out at $138.15, up $1.76, up 1.29%. And as we go down, we did make the purchase this morning at $138.16, so $138.16, which brings the total amount of shares here up to 12, but it closed out 1 cent lower at what I bought it for. Not a big deal, as we just dollar cost average in. The next position we did buy is typically always the same. When we buy a full share, every single week we do put in an extra $25 to purchase the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, closing out today or last week at the end of the week, $98.36, down 34 cents on the day, down 0.34%. The total amount of shares that we have now is 17 total shares. Total position value of $1,681.37. If we head over to VFV here, show you the fractional buy. So $25 at the end of the week got us 0.255 of a share, coming to a total of $25. So those are the purchases at the end of last week here as we start the new week on a Sunday. However you start whatever day you choose to start the beginning of your week. But yeah, Sunday, start of the new week for me. And so, yeah, next we'll go ahead and show you guys track your dividends, the stats on there as we update the tracker. So as you can see on the screen here, portfolio was valued at $17,116. Portfolio yield was 3.84%. Yield on cost at 4.39%. Annual income was at $658 without the updated positions. But when we do update the positions, you can see on the screen again, 3.84% for the dividend yield. Yield on cost for us is 4.38%, so down 0.01%. And annual income for us has increased from that $658 to $663 for the year, of course, divided out quarterly on average. So that is the position or the tracker dividends to show you the dividend payments that we'll receive, projected, of course, not exact because we keep on adding to the positions. So that's for the full year. Sorry, I still need this. Next, we'll go to ShareSite and we will show you guys the stats there. And the reason I like to show the stats here is because with this one, it shows the dividend payments, the capital gains, the foreign exchange, because we do hold some US stocks within this portfolio, and it compiles all that information together to give us an accurate performance for the year. So as you can see on the screen, capital gains coming in at $1,226.43. That's a 7.61% increase from the beginning of January there. Dividends coming in at $80.36 so far, at 0.5% in dividends in performance-wise. And currency gain, of course, well, not of course, but down, which is fine, $36.95, so down 0.23%. And our total return on our here is $1,269.84, which gives us a performance of about 7.88% since January 1. And now, there is a saying when investors, among investors, that the January will dictate how the market performs for the rest of the year. I don't think there's any credibility to that, but regardless, it has been a strong year compared to 2022. But that is pretty much it for the video, guys. We've given you guys the update. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one when we give you guys the total dividend payments for the month of January 2023, our first full month, and show you, the new record that we hit. So hint, hint. And I know we're kind of days past that, but with a dividend coming in on the 31st, we couldn't do everything, and so just scheduling. So have a great week, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.